Reality check, man, from a year device, you know, say aromatic realistic TV. Anyway, people, without any further ado. So I see this video going around with the Prime Minister and seeing like he was downtown with this lady in the market. And the Prime Minister was there, you know, get a shots or something. But I'm saying, when so much things is going on in Jamaica, crime and violence is on the rise. Since the start of this year, 600 kids gone missing in Jamaica. And they're silent. I said, since the start of this year, 600 kids gone missing in Jamaica. And they are silent. So as a concerned citizen, I'm just asking, how the Prime Minister find time for going to downtown, Rare or whatsoever, go and meet with this lady talking about her shorts? Can Jamaican people take this man serious? You see Joe Biden, Putin, Trudeau, just a non-prime minister, president around the world. They gone down in a them downtown or them town, they take up shots and they behave like that. That is not happening nowhere more than in Jamaica. So anyway, people, we understand what they go on. Because remember, this is the Prime Minister's playbook. What were the playbook in 2015? It was the food basket that they brought to the House of Parliament with the oil and whatsoever, and they put it up and they make a big thing of it. And then they come back again and then say, young people time. That was their playbook. In 2020, what was his playbook? Clerks pan foot and get a youth for the dub plate film. Remember, 2020, Clerks pan foot, get a youth got the dub plate film. So he's searching and feeling around for the next hit. It's like an artist looking for the next punchline to hook the people to sell his next song. He's out there feeling. And that is the reason why you see the Prime Minister the other day, he go get the lady a donkey. Now him downtown with this lady. He's downtown with this lady now. Same as buying shots. What a coincidence. Where everywhere the Prime Minister go, one photographer or somebody is there to capture him. What a coincidence. Everywhere the Prime Minister go, he was lucky enough for somebody to capture him and get a photograph to send it over social media. What a coincidence. So he is feeling out. He is feeling out because he want the next hit. Why you think this man don't like social media influencer? The spotlight must always be on this man. The spotlight must always be on this man. Self-centered. It's me, myself, and I. It's me, myself, and I. Why you think every look you look, 3, 4, 5 videos for the day for the Prime Minister is on social media? He's no different from a social media influencers. He's no different from a social media influencer. 3, 4, 5 videos for the day. And then you want to tell me that these are coincidence? You have to ask if this man have time to do the people's work. As a concerned citizen, you have to ask yourself, is this man have any time to do the people's work? If he is always on social media, 3, 4, 5 videos a day, is this man really have any time to do the people's work? Is this man really interested of doing the people work? Or this man just advertising himself, his own interests? We have to ask. We have to ask. And sometimes you ask yourself, why they get rid of Vybz Kartel? Why they get rid of Vice Cartel? Vice Cartel was more popular than them. It may sound away. Vice Cartel were more popular than them. And nobody not supposed to more popular than Anju Oldness in a Jamaica. This man is self-centered. The spotlight must be on him at all times. He's one of the biggest social media influencer in Jamaica. Not using social media to spread positive message to the youth. Propaganda and false narrative. That's what he uses platform to bring across the youth. You understand? So you have to ask, this man downtown using this lady as a prop, political prop, you know. He's using this lady. This man is downtown right now and using this lady as a political prop. Hi, the shots look good, man. The shots look good, man. You don't look too bad. Yeah, man, me like it. Yeah, man, me like it. Brother, you know sound good, brother. You use Clarks pan foot, brother. You go tap in a dog shit with the Clarks, brother. And use the back screen with face, brother. Brother, you go take on Clarks pan foot, brother. You go tap in a dog shit, brother. And use the Clarks and back screen with face, brother. Now you go give woman donkey, brother. Now you done a market with this lady. Why you want to show we say? Why you want to show we say? You are down there in the gutter and the trench and the gully with us. We understand, man. We know the playbook, brother. You can't catch we again. You no come use with slang and try to come go on like say. You want to normalize up the thing and normalize up yourself. Aye, the shots look good, man. Yeah, man, the shots look good, man. You look too bad, man. Yeah, man, me like it. Yeah, man, me go buy that one, yeah. Brother, you know sound good, brother. Go on back on your stage. You're fluent English. You're articulate. Self. You speak to your uptown resident them. You understand and you overseas influence. Go and go talk to them that way. Because remember when you're up on stage, you know, you not talk for the normal Jamaican understand you, you know. You don't talk for the normal Jamaican to understand you. So when you downtown now, yeah, man, I say, look, yeah, what you think? Yeah, I say, like a hug the name, like a hug the name food. Pardon my language. Like a hug the name food. Yeah, oh, I say, look, yeah, man, yeah, like it. Look good, yeah, man. Dog, stop mock with brethren. Stop mock with because you're not like we. You are not like us, bro. So stop mock with, man. Stop use with slang, man. And go on like you're down there with we, man. You're not down there with we, brother. We understand, we know the playbook. You're looking for the next punchline. So now we start see you, they come around poor people back again. But we have you for who you is, brother. Remember, you are the demolition man, you know. Yeah, man, remember, you tell every Jamaican, say, you want to take one yourself and move from here, so I have no money and no raise for go, no. I want to give yourself 300%, brother. So we know who you is, brother. Now, you take a 500 million barrel of oil from down a petrol jam, brother. Remember, so the same 500 billion barrel of oil want to take from down a petrol jam, you know. It costs we 2.5 billion a year to purchase the oil, you know. So the oil now come there for free, no, brother. So we know who you is, brother. Brother, remember, say you get the $750 million in the COVID to give to the Jamaican people, you know. Remember, say, brother, it's not a gift, you know, brother. Remember, say, it's a loan we get, you know, from the World Bank, you know, the Inter-American Development Bank, you know, the IMF, you know, the International Monetary Fund, you know. And you didn't give the people, you know. Look how this man is so wicked and so devious, Jamaica. He get the loan from these 3 branches. And instead for the man to set up a way to pay the Jamaican people, the man send them go to Western Union. Now you and I know, anytime you go to Western Union, there's a fee you have to pay to the Western Union. So the people have to pay a fee to get that money, Jamaica. And Jamaica, remember now, it was a loan, Jamaica. It was not a gift. It was a loan from the World Bank. It was a loan from the Inter-America Development Bank. It was a loan from the IMF, the International Monetary Fund. So it simply means the people of Jamaica will have to pay back for that loan. And the Prime Minister of Jamaica knew that. The Prime Minister of Jamaica knew that. But instead what he do, he send our people to Western Union to pay a fee and a loan that he know that we have to pay back that loan. You make the people pay twice. Twice on a loan because you know they have to pay a fee to the Western Union. And you know taxpayers of Jamaica have to pay back that loan because it was not a gift, Jamaican. It was a loan. So we understand, we knew the playbook. 2015 food basket in a budget. 2020 clerks per foot. So you are looking for the next hit. You are looking for the next punchline. So you're the rally around poor people now. You go give a donkey, you're down in a market, you're short. How dear man, how dear man. No macwe man. No macwe man. Don't macwe brother. We understand what they take place. We understand what go on. The only somebody who is benefiting from that commercial that you do. Because it's a commercial you do, you know. They do a commercial for the Chinese government to embolden them to bring more knockoff and fake goods in Jamaica. So Jamaican people don't get it twisted. That was a promotion for the Chinese to bring their knockoff stuff into Jamaica. Because probably that's all we worth, Chinese knockoff. That's all we worth as a people. Anyway, my people, as I said before, stay tuned to Aromatic Realistic TV because we're going to kill them with truth and we're going to kill them with reality. If it's not factual, you're not getting it from over here. If it's not speaking truth to life, you're not getting it from over here. Remember that. We don't do tabloid. We don't do conspiracy. We don't do propaganda. And we are not a gossip station. We shoot bullseye, but we give you reality to open your eyes for you to see. For you to see them from afar and know them for who they are. Remember that. Much love, my fellow Jamaican. Walk good, live good. Treat your fellow man with respect at all times. God and good road. Until then, we'll chat again. Much love, Aromatic and the Realistic TV. We're there. We give them judgment because we not ease them up. Mad love.